Hello everyone, love is in the air today and we're talking about hearts. I'm your lecturer Sannan Rehman and welcome to sqadia.com. Today we'll talk about heart, the embryological origin. The lecture has been subdivided into 5 separate parts. The first part would be dealing with the heart fields. In this, we'll see how a specific section of a human embryo is designated to become the adult heart. In the second section, that is the heart tube, we'll see how these heart fields arrange themselves to form a tubular elongated structure, which somehow gives us an idea of the adult heart. In the third section, we'll talk about the cardiac looping, how this adult heart tube now loops around each other to form the adult organs which are a part of the human heart. In the fourth subsection, we'll be talking about the molecular regulation, how various hormones, how various mediators, how various growth factors act on the heart tube, help in its looping and the formation of the adult heart. In the final section, we'll be talking about the development of sinus venosus. We'll see how the blood flows through it. We'll see the role of left and right sinus horns, and we'll see how it helps in the formation of adult cardiac structures. I hope you're excited to find out more about love and what makes the heart tick. Keep watching sqadia.com.